Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I am going to share you important update about Intune security baseline policy. So as you all know, on October 14, 2025, so right after 2 days, today is 12th October, on October 14th, 2025, Windows 10 is reaching end of support, right? And will stop receiving quality and feature updates. So after October 14th, 2025, Windows 10 become an allowed version in Intune. Devices running this version can still enroll into Intune and use eligible features, but functionality won't be guaranteed and can vary, right? So this is the important update I just want to give you, and together I will also explain what is the use of you what is the uses of the security baseline to apply uh, on Microsoft recommended security configuration setting to your Windows enrolled devices, and what is the benefit of using this security baseline, right? So if you are new to this Intune MDM space or managing your Windows devices with through Microsoft Intune, first let's understand what is the security baseline, why we need to create, and when you need for security baseline. So Intune security baseline is a group of pre-configured Windows settings that help you being as an admin to apply and enforce granular security settings that that is relevant security teams recommended, right? That relevant to your Windows devices recommended by the Microsoft. Being as an admin, I mean, we can also customize each baseline. We deploy or enforce only those settings and value we need or you need for your organization or your devices. So when we create a security baseline profile or policy in the Intune, you are just creating a template that consists of multiple devices configuration profile. So all these baseline, as you can see on my screen, each baseline policies are device configuration settings like those found in the various Intune policy. So each setting in a baseline works with the configuration service provider for a relevant product, right? That is present on the managed Windows devices. Now, you may be thinking, right, when this security baseline uh, is useful. So if you are new, if you are expert admin, you don't need to use the baseline. But if you are new and don't know what to configure, where to configure, from where to start for Windows devices, better leverage this security baseline policy. As you can see, if you go to Microsoft Intune portal and click on endpoint security and click on security baseline, you will see all these the baseline policy is already there. Suppose you see here one for the HoloLens, one for Microsoft Enterprise, endpoint security defender baseline policy is, and Windows 10 and later security baseline, and this baseline for HoloLens and everything. So let's click on this one and you see these are baseline policy, right? And it's a version, you can see 24H2. Let's click on this and you create. So what is say create and manage the policy to, right? So you can create a policy and you see here Windows 10 and later. These security baseline for Windows 10 and later represent the recommendation for, as I mentioned, configuring Windows for security conscious customer using the Microsoft full security stack. This baseline means what? It's minimum baseline. Recommended baseline includes relevant MDM settings consist with the security recommendation outlined in the group policy Windows security. So you can use this baseline to tailor and adjust Microsoft recommended policy setting within the Microsoft Intune environment. So let's create this one and I will just give name, you can give any name, Windows 10 or 11 baseline policy. Okay, you can give any name as per your requirement and click on next, and you can see these are the settings you can enable it. Suppose I just want to enable firewall. Okay, you see the network firewall, you can enable true or false. So everything is enabled here, right? So you can adjust as per your requirement. Suppose Microsoft App Store, you want to allow game block, you want to allow disable, you want to disable. So these are the baseline, right? So I'll not do any changes, but you can do. This is the baseline, and just click next and you can apply to Windows devices or as per your requirement. Let's click on this one and create. This is how you can create. You see it's created successfully. If you just refresh it, it's assigned, and the current baseline is 24H2, right? You can always go and check and modify as per your requirement whatever you want to do, right? This is the baseline policy. Okay, now you may be thinking, what is the use of the baseline policy? So I have created one. You can also create it for one for Ace if you don't know, but let's understand before creating for Microsoft Ace the benefit of the using this baseline. So these, as I mentioned, this security baseline can help you being as admin to have an end-to-end secure workflow when working with Microsoft 365, right? So some of the benefits, I will describe only 3 benefits, right, as I know. So by default, right, the first one is the by default, as you know, the each security baseline is configured to meet the best practice and recommendation for the settings that affects security. So Intune partners with the same Windows security team that create group policy security baseline, and these recommendations, as I have shown just now, are based on the guidance and extensive experience. So as I also previously mentioned, if you are new to a Intune admin, not sure where to start, right, being as an admin, security baseline gives you an advantage, right? You can quickly create and deploy secure profile, knowing that you are helping protect your organization and resource and data, right? So suppose I am new, I just want what are the policy, baseline policy, or what are the settings should be there for the Microsoft is. So you can just simply go to your security baseline tab and select the Microsoft as, or as I mentioned for Windows 10 security baseline. You don't know what security needs to be enabled, right? So you just select it and you can create it. Suppose I am just creating is baseline policy, right? And you see here all these settings are enable, disable. These are the Microsoft recommended setting. You can adjust as per your requirement, but it's already minimum it has to be enabled. And if you are expert or you know what setting has to be enabled or disabled, you can go and always disable. But these are the minimum baseline has to be enabled. If you want to enable or disable, but if you're not use this baseline policy, you can directly go to the devices here and go to the Windows and go to the configuration and create a new policy. So here you have to choose the policy, right? So what are the settings catalog, what configuration you want. I will show you test policy, and but this needs expertise to select, right? Because there are so many settings, right? You want to setting enable for Windows login, you want to wireless display, there are so many settings it's available here. So you need to be expert, or at least you don't know, right? If you are starting, if you're not sure about where to start for configuring the policy, better to use the baseline policy and adjust so that it will be easy for you to configure for your Windows devices. The third one, as I mentioned, if you are currently using a group policy through AD or your own premise Active Directory, and you have a plan to migrating to Intune for management is easier with these baseline. These baseline are natively built into Intune and include a modern device management, right? So better to use the baseline policy here if you have a plan to migrate your GPU as well, right? So you see M365, right? You can create, just create, and I will show you here. You can select all these things here and create the baseline policy. This is what I have for this video. Make sure you apply and use if you are new to the Microsoft Intune, and secure your Windows devices with this baseline. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.